Hi there, Amit here for Advice Media, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the Sony smartwatch. This is a Sony smartwatch which I have been using from the past 1 month, and I'll be talking about all the features which you get on this smartwatch. So first of all, the strap is actually made out of rubber, which doesn't make it look like a premium product. And this is a detachable strap here, which means that you can actually pull it out and get the complete watch this way. So this is what you get. This is the Sony smartwatch. Actually you can change the straps later on if you can find them in the market. So let me just keep this aside and show you the actual watch right now, because this is the main product, and this is a touchscreen based watch. The difference is that you actually, if you would like to access the watch, you just have to double tap onto the same, and the dialer shows up. There's a watch face shows up, and if you would like to change that, you can change that through the settings. Now the first thing once you buy this is you need to actually link it with your smartphone and connect it through Bluetooth. Following which you need to download an application called Smart Connect, which is available in the Android Play Store, following which you would get this kind of interface. Now the smartwatch is a very interesting application wherein you can make a lot of settings changes to the watch and implement the same or install the same onto your watch. So the first thing which you see is the clocks, which is the option wherein you can set up the watch faces. So let's say right now, as you can see, there is a watch face which you can see here, and if I would like to change it to a numerical format, I can just tap onto that and select the same, following which once the watch has actually been synced with the phone or paired with the phone, it will actually show up that data. So that is how it actually works. Apart from that, you can actually install a lot of different applications from the watch here itself. So you get that under the applications area. As you can see, we have here the calendar reminder, we have the Facebook, missed call alerts, and Twitter, weather, new events, call handling, messaging, find phone. So there are a bunch of different features which are available onto this, but sometimes I don't find all of these actually useful because the notifications don't work on time, unlike the Pebble smartwatch wherein the notifications are always working on time. So that is something which you need to make a note of. The smartwatch is not so efficient and not so smart. And apart from that, I find one very interesting feature which is called as the find phone. Now once you have enabled that, whenever you lose your phone, you just have to set up it once, and the next time you select the right option, your phone will start ringing. So that is generally useful. Apart from that, the whole system is not as much useful as you would think it is, and I really hope that Sony would actually work on building a better watch in the future. As of now, as you can see, it's actually connected, and there are also some usage tips on how you could work onto this. Let me just show you a quick demo of the same also. So if you would like to wake up the watch, you just have to double tap onto this. Apart from that, if you would like to go to the next step, which is about how do you navigate, you can just navigate onto the screen this way, just swipe onto the screen. So that works here, and in this case it's actually trying to sync up with the phone as of now. Even though the Bluetooth is connected, it says that the watch is actually connected, but it doesn't connect right away. So that's some kind of small issue here, and once you are done, then you would be taken to an interface like this where you can find all the applications and the shortcuts. So that is something which is again pretty important to make a note of, and you can also go back onto your screen by just pinching on the screen and you will be taken to the back screen. So those are few of the options which are available for you while using the smartwatch. Let me just reboot it and again show you by connecting the smartwatch with the smartphone, and ensure that this time I could show you a actual demo of the same. So right now it's actually trying to connect, as you can see here. Now let's try to ensure that we are actually connected with the smartwatch. So yes, it's actually connected, but it's still not responding the way it has to respond. That's the sad part here. Let's try to disable the Bluetooth and again reconnect it, and hope that this time it actually connects the way it actually has to work. I'm on my Bluetooth screen. Now it's asking which one do you want to connect. That's a smartwatch which I would like to connect. So it says smartwatch is connected on the top notifications area. So now it's connected, and now you can see the watch face which I had set up earlier on this watch, and now we are taken to the different screens here. As you can see, I have synced up the music option. Once you tap on that, it should actually start playing the music. Let's play, and actually the music has started playing on the smartphone. So you can find it's actually playing in the notifications area, and it's actually showing up the same. So once it starts working, it's pretty decent enough, but till the time it's not actually working, then it's quite a hassle and you have to go through many different issues. so you can easily set up the watch face, but apart from that these other issues keep popping up and it's quite hard to use them. I have set up few other options also, but they're not working as much as I was expecting them to work, so you need to make a note of that before planning to buy this smartwatch. And if you're really planning to buy one, I would suggest that you should actually wait for some time, so that if Sony is coming up with a better model than this, then you should go for it. But overall it's the first smartwatch from Sony and it's actually quite impressive, but we should be waiting for a better version out of the same. So this was a quick review and a demo of the Sony smartwatch. If you like the content, do like this video and do subscribe to our channel at Advice Media, and we'll keep you updated with more. Thank you.